Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to fix the out of video memory error code for Marvel Rivals. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just head over to settings in Marvel Rivals under display. Just go ahead and hit optimize settings, because this will just give you smoother gameplay as well, and it will just have the best settings for your PC and laptop. So I highly recommend just hitting optimize settings. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you can X out of Marvel Rivals, and what you can do is simply delete old games that you don't play. So if you have a bunch of games downloaded that are like 100 gigs, 50 gigs, 75, just go ahead and delete them, because that is the main issue. It's not having enough space as well. So you can delete those things. And now what you can also do is that if you have any corrupt or missing files for Marvel Rivals, what you can do is simply just open up Steam. If you have it downloaded through Steam, I'll give you the Epic Games Launcher way in a minute too. But anyways, down over to Steam, right click on Marvel Rivals, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. And then now you can go ahead and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Basically what this does is, again, it just removes any corrupt or missing files. You can X out of Steam, start it back up, just check to see if it works. For Epic Games Launcher, go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher, go over to Library, look for Marvel Rivals, and then go ahead and click on the three dots, hit Manage, and then go over to Verify Files. Now, once that's done, again, you can do the same thing, X out, start up Epic Games Launcher, check to see if that helps fix the issue. Now, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.